Hello everyone, welcome back on the CX Fleet Updates YouTube channel here with me, Roberto Manco Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. And today we'll be talking about a CX Boeing 777-300 non-ER that flew to Xiamen for maintenance and most likely to get their bigger titles, if possible. So, this aircraft is registered as Bravo's Hotel November Hotel. She took our flight number 63820 with a great circle distance of 496 kilometers, actual flight time 56 minutes, and track of 67 degrees. This aircraft took off at 5:02 a.m. local time in Xiamen, Hong Kong actually, at the southern runway, and then, or runway 7 right, and then she landed at Xiamen Gaoqi Airport 5:58 a.m. local time. So, for the details of Bravo Hotel November Hotel, kindly check the previous video. And she's special for being the first Boeing 777-300 and Boeing 777 ever delivered to CATHAY Pacific. So, she's also most likely to get her larger titles as her fellow aircraft Bravo Hotel member Quebec did. So, that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it. All by me, Roberto, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.